Now let me show you a practical demo on how strong is our password which we use in our daily life. I'll just go to google.com. I'll type top commonly used password. You can see that most of this password you might have already used it or you might be using it. So let us see any one of them. Let us open one of them and see what happens. If I just scroll down, okay, sorry, just a moment. So these are some of the commonly used password. Okay, so let us check the strength of this password, right? I have something known as password meter, wherein I'll just type password. Our password is weak. Okay, now let us see how much time will it take to break this password. So I go to this website, howsecureismypassword.net. Do not use this website to try your online password. It can be extremely dangerous. So see, this can be cracked instantly. Still we use this common type of password. You're making hackers' life easier. So you saw how much time does it requires to crack a password, right? Instantly, the commonly used password, and still we are least bothered to change our password or use strong password. Few suggestions: do not use a password which is commonly used or which can be commonly recalled. Some of the high profile hacking attempts are successful because of use of this stinking password. I term is stinking password. It is easy to guess password, and it is a nightmare that simplifies the task of cyber criminals. If you are serious about your privacy, data and confidential records, do not use stinking password. I repeat, do not use stinking password. That is easily hackable and guessable password which we just saw.